Today I'm going to demonstrate the Smartek Nightlatch smart lock. What makes this Bluetooth lock unique is it's designed to interface with Nightlatches. These are really popular in the UK and several manufacturers offer them, including Yale, Era, Leg, and then we have Union and ASEC and several others. They all follow a standard format, making them interchangeable and easy to replace without having to drill new holes in the door. This smart lock simply replaces only the keyed cylinder part of the Nightlatch lock, and amazingly it can be installed in under 5 minutes without any drilling. This is a multi-credential lock. That means it supports fobs and cards, button fob, and fingerprint. If you need pincode, then we offer this Bluetooth battery powered keypad which can be fixed to the door or to the wall so long as it's reasonably close to the lock. So how does it work? By default, turning the handle does not engage with the latch. Simply offer up a credential like a fob, the lock beeps and you will hear the unlock. Then just turn the handle to retract the latch. After 5 seconds the auto lock enables so that when you close the door it will be locked on the latch from the outside. You can adjust the auto lock time in the app for up to 15 minutes. Here's how the fingerprint works. And you can also unlock from the TT Lock smartphone app. The handle also features a backup key and emergency 5V input. You simply insert the key here, turn 90 degrees and the handle engages. This is where you also replace the battery. We don't include the CR123A battery with this handle. The lock uses the free TT Lock iOS or Android smartphone app, and this is where you add the credentials like fobs, cards, fingerprints and e-keys. If you install the keypad, then you can also create time-sensitive PIN codes. Another optional extra is the G2 Wi-Fi bridge, which when connected to your Wi-Fi enables remote control from anywhere. If you're installing on an external door, here's a great tip. The fingerprint sensor is sensitive to dirt and moisture, so we recommend that you orientate the handle with the sensor facing the floor. Instead of your thumb, use your index finger on the fingerprint sensor. This will keep the sensor dry and clean. One other thing, this lock is designed for 60mm Nightlatches. Whether it will work with 40mm Nightlatches will very much depend on the thickness of your doorstops. One last thing, like all locks that use the TT Lock software, these are supported on the Remote Lock Universal Access Control platform. If you need additional functionality like grouped or common doors, or want to automate bookings from channel managers and sites like Airbnb, Guesty, Beds24 or many others, or even use with other lock brands, then visit remotelock.com for more information.